Reference Librarians here at the Bay County Library. Today's video is all about some brand new cookbooks we have here in the library for you to check out. The first one I want to talk about is From Freezer to Cooker by Polly Connor and Rachel Tiemeyer. One thing I love about this book is all of the recipes are cooked with either a slow cooker or an Instant Pot. There are instructions for both in every recipe. It also includes, you won't see from there, but it also includes freezing instructions in case you want to plan ahead, okay? I think that's a great feature, and anytime you can plan ahead with your meals during the week is a good thing to do. You'll save more time later on. There are some recipes in here that I can't wait to try. There's garlic herb chicken, Asian turkey meatballs, which is actually on my list of recipes this week, and hearty Italian soup, which I can't wait. One great thing about the recipes as well is that all of them are limited ingredient lists. So most of them are pantry staples that you have. So you're not going to have to search around for unusual ingredients. So if you're a home cook that's looking for more of a beginner level cookbook, this is for you. The next two books I'm sharing are for more, I would say, intermediate or expert home cooks. That is definitely not me, but it might be you. Entertaining with Mary Berry. I'm sure you've heard of her. She is a legend in the baking world. Well, she's created a cookbook that's all about different recipes you would use when entertaining people. And hopefully when all of this COVID is over, you can use these recipes to invite your friends over for a meal together. It has a multitude of recipes related to entertaining. I would agree that many of the recipes aren't necessarily for everyday use, unless you have more time on your hands than I do. The steps to the recipes are detailed and exact, which is very helpful. And I can't wait. I might have to just try the melt-in-your-mouth apple pie recipe for myself without inviting anyone over. See You on Sunday is written by Sam Sifton, who is the food editor for the New York Times. This actually had a lot of great critical reviews, so if you're interested to see what's out there in that area, I would check out this book. It is definitely a text-heavy cookbook. There are some pictures interspersed, but most of it is text. And there's a risotto and roasted cauliflower recipe that I'm very interested in knowing what it tastes like. My friend Heather makes amazing mushroom risotto, so I might have to see if she'll try this one next. As soon as I have time, I'll be sending her this. But these are all great things you can check out here at the library. The last book I want to share is 100 Techniques from America's Test Kitchen. This book includes step-by-step instructions for mastering different cooking techniques like making a roux, searing meat, brining beans. I mean, the list goes on and on. Obviously, there's 100 techniques you can learn. Each technique includes several recipes to try. One of my favorite tips, actually, because we just moved in a new house, I have a brand new oven to learn. It's basically using the broiler to char without burning. It gives you a kind of a test to do with all you need is just a simple piece of white bread, and you'll learn whether your oven runs hot, average, or cool on the broiler, which will help you decide how to cook in future recipes. The Northwest Regional Library System has these cookbooks along with many others for you to check out. You can visit our website at www.nwrls.com and place a hold on any cookbook that you see, and we're doing curbside delivery right now. I can't wait to share some new cookbooks with you next time. I hope you have a good day.